In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then select Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Default Apps. Finally, adjust all of them however you want to. I will go with browsers, I have to click on it. Apply my new downloaded browser, which is Firefox, and go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!